So here we go, guys, with a walk around a long awaited. There's a big waiting list for this video of the stunning Villa Fortuna in the Perla Arboleas. Big delay in doing the film because, as it says in the details, the owners had the painters in. At the moment, they have virtually finished the house. It's 99% done, and they're now moving on to all the outside walls as well. Very unusually, look, I'm going to start, if you like, at the back of the property here, because we've had lots of questions about the access and everything. Well, the first point is in a very, very small, no-through road, a cul-de-sac, probably around 9-10 minutes easy walk to Arbolea Centre. Very peaceful, very quiet, and you get no through traffic whatsoever. And you can see from here, you've got a double access gate here. There was a little pedestrian gate just up to my right. And the double access gate leads into a good-sized sandblock off-street parking area, ample room there for a carport if required. Now, just looking at this, if you look at the actual photographs, you'll see there's a big difference between these and the video. Okay. And then privacy is a huge key to the current owners of the property, not being overlooked. So you can see there's been a kind of privacy wall put up here, double gate access then into the beautiful back garden where the magic happens. This flagstone, or sandstone, sorry, driveway extends all the way along the back of the villa and then runs all the way down the right hand side there, which is being used at the moment as a kind of utility corridor. The door you see there to the left leads into the very spacious kitchen, which we'll see from the other side shortly. And what I'm going to do is take a wander now through those gates there. Sorry, you can see the little patches. This is the bit of painting that's waiting to be finished. So I've come through the gates there on the left-hand side of the villa into the back garden. You can see a expansive sun deck terrace runs along the entire frontage and the side of the property here. This door goes into a very nice bathroom cum wet room, which we'll see in a minute. So great if you've got guests over and stuff and they need to spend a penny, they can come straight from the garden without running through the entire house. And now this is where the magic commences, and we're not overlooked at all. Beautifully private. And guys, come on, this is January. Look at the blue skies. The sun literally comes up to my left and forms a perfect arc across the entire property frontage. You can get some idea of this expansive terrace from up here. This is absolutely ginormous, and you can just see to my right there 2 archways. Well, that's a lovely glazed conservatory. They've used glass curtains to create a stunning winter room. Some of the patio sets are out, but I mean, you could put 5 or 6 ginormous patio sets on here and you still wouldn't fill it up. And just check out that amazing vista. Views like this so close to the town, easy walk. They're so tough to come by. And also the privacy, of course, is a real added benefit. So you can see a little gateway here, leads down a few steps. And below us, we've got the fantastic freeform pool. We'll go down and have a look down there in a second. Now, this is a rambla front property, so the views you saw are totally uninterrupted. They'll never be taken away. And just running along the frontage there, you can see the winter room conservatory. That window there runs off of a bedroom. And the house is looking like a totally new pin. The decorators, when they finish the house, which is going to be in a day max, I'd say, then they're moving on to all the exterior walls as well. So if they look a bit patchy and whatever, don't worry, that's all been commissioned. Wandered along now to the far end of the terrace, sun deck, just to give you the aspect from the other end. But it doesn't really matter where you stand here because the views are absolutely magnificent wherever you are in the back garden. You can see down below there the tropical oasis that kind of surrounds the swimming pool. Now, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property. Very spacious, could easily have been a 4-bedroom. And the garden size is around 770 metres, so again, slightly larger than the average for the area. but it's been designed and laid out in a way that's kind of easy to maintain and just lets you sit back and relax and enjoy the views, I suppose. So I've come down now poolside, and I think this is the cover still pic we've used on the website for the villa. As you can see, stunning freeform tiled swimming pool here, surrounded by a big sunbathing terrace and an additional flagstone terrace, and surrounded by a kind of oasis of well-established palms and yuccas, but all low maintenance, easy to maintain stuff. And they surround the pool. And you'll see in a second, just to my right there, the right hand corner, tucked discreetly in a corner, is a lovely wooden storage shed. And immediately in front you'll see a purpose-built barbecue area. So we'll have a look from that side in a second. And behind me, which we'll take a look at from the other side, is a kind of bench seating area, which is absolutely magnificent. And usually in the summer, of course, cushions can be put on those, and just provides a wonderful viewing platform, the Spanish call the miradors, to overlook the pool and this magnificent scenery. So you can see all these benches just here. Now, we've done quite comprehensive details on the property, but of course, as usual, if anything not covered, then please just send us a WhatsApp or a quick email and we'll get back to you on it. Deservedly so, the interest in this is very good, so I think if you like it and you're serious about it, then I'd get in touch quicker rather than later. A nice timber storage shed, and then a few steps going up to the huge solarium sun deck entertaining area. So entering the interior of the villa, and I think one of the things that will first strike you is how spacious it is. I mean, it's kind of, most of the rooms are a lot larger than on an average 3-bedroom villa, including the kitchen here. You can see ample, up-to-date whitewood units, black granite worktops. And the door that I've just come into leads, as you saw, straight out to the parking area. The door there, straight into the lounge. We'll have a quick look around that, and then I'll give you a backwards of the kitchen as well. So, check out this for a lounge area. It's double the size, at least, of a standard lounge diner. Now what they've done is they've had a lovely arched partition wall that kind of runs down the middle, but it is a very, very beautifully appointed room and exceptionally spacious. You know, this is big furniture inside here, and it still doesn't look all crammed in. Very impressive room. Now just behind me you've got door access to the master bedroom and the main guest bedroom. But very nicely there's a further guest bedroom just over here, so divided by the living room. So maybe that's the best one to use when guests are over. Just taking a look at the kitchen, again from the other side for you. So there's a drinking water system in there. Beautiful polished black granite. There's even an air conditioning unit in the kitchen. That's another question we get asked: has the property got air conditioning? Yes, it has, in all the key rooms, even the kitchen. Now, there's 2 lots of double sliding doors that go out to the winter room conservatory, and we'll go and have a look through those in a second. So over at the other side of the lounge you can see this beautiful wood burning fireplace inset here. There's an air conditioning unit just above my head. That's a door into the 3rd guest bedroom. Now, unusually again, and very unusual but in a good way, you've got 3 bathrooms in this property, and they're all ensuite. So 3 huge bedrooms and all with ensuite bathrooms. the villa's been rented for some time, but the tenants are just in the process of moving out. I think it's explained in the details as well. So I have to work around kind of quite a few storage boxes that they're packing up. So forgive those, because there's lots of stuff around the property being boxed up, ready to go. But this is the guest bedroom number 1. You can see huge double room. I mean, they've gone for 2 singles in here. Air conditioning as well. But this is, I'd say, around 15 metres, which for a guest bedroom is very, very sizable. Bank of fitted wardrobes. Me in the mirror, hi guys. I've got a jacket on, God knows why, because it's about 22 degrees today, so it was a bit chillier this morning. So the ensuite bathroom on this one, as you can see, very good sized bathroom. There's a double shower tucked away here behind the door. There you can see the other set of double doors that lead out to the conservatory and winter room. And then the second set just next to them. And 2 doors there going into the villa's other 2 bedrooms. Let's start with the guest bedroom first. So full double, ample room in here for a king size. I think that might already be a king size actually. I think you could even get a super king in here, no problems. Now, that door there, it's the ensuite bathroom, but this is the one that has door access. No, sorry, apologies, I think that's the next one. Hang on, we'll have a look in a sec. So, yeah. Ensuite bathroom with a full bath and an overhead shower in this one. Lovely hand basin here. Full bank of rolling fronted fitted wardrobes, just like you saw in the last bedroom. And immediately to the left of that, you have the master bedroom. And this is the one with the most packing boxes in at the moment. So I'll do my best to get it all in, but please forgive those, they'll be out the way soon. So that's a door there to another big bathroom, wet room. This is newly refitted. And the door in front there you see goes into that and then on out into the garden, as you saw from the other side. Air conditioned again, fitted wardrobes. I hope it's coming across. I mean, it's just a beautifully calming, spacious, bright property. And the rooms are very, very generous. So this is the ensuite off of the master. As you can see, beautiful tiling scheme in here. Very modern sink unit. And this is actually a wet room. It's not a standard bathroom. Beautiful tiling scheme, and this has just been newly added. And there's a door immediately behind me that takes you straight out into the garden as well. Finally, in terms of living space, last but not least, I think that's a very fair comment, this wonderful winter room conservatory. You've got a dining table just there, and just prepare, look at that. I mean, today it's not chilly, so they're not really relevant, but you can imagine we do get some slightly chillier times, and you can come out here all year round. Look at that view, absolutely staggering. To give you some idea of scale, you know, you've got 2 big sofas out here, a dining table, a wall-mounted TV, and it still doesn't look packed. You know, show me another villa locally on sale in Arboleas at the moment that you can walk to the town where you've got this level of privacy and views. This is something you'd expect being much further out of the town centre. So there you have it, the stunning Villa Fortuna, the Perla Arboleas. Full details via the link below. And if you'd like to arrange a viewing or need any further info, then you know how to do it. Give us a call, 950 or +34, sorry, 950 430 763, or drop us an email, calidahomes@hotmail.com. We'll be delighted to hear from you. hope you've enjoyed that walk around tour.